1. Eye contact. Eye contact is a great way for you to indicate to a girl exactly what you want. This can make them feel good and they are analyzing your body language, so this will let her know that you are interested in her. This is especially useful when you have been in the friend zone and you are ready to move past that stage. 2. Just talk to her. Reach out to her at different times to have random conversations with her. She'll notice that you are nice to be around and have her pay attention to you a little more. A good conversation will have you guys on the same page, and this is what most women would like to have with their partners. It may seem simple, but it makes a big difference when she's thinking about you. 3. Confidence. Most women do things like playing hard to make a guy nervous or scared to talk to her. You can make a girl want you by showing confidence and going past her hard exterior. A general rule is to make her feel comfortable with you and make her want to pursue a relationship with you. Make her laugh and pay more attention to her needs, and this will boost her feelings towards you. 4. Share things together. When you both start as friends, you will understand all the things she likes to do and you will get to know her better. This is a good point, as over the course of the friendship, you will start to learn what she's into. The more time you spend understanding her and making her feel special, this will go a far way into your dating life. 5. Body language. Your body language is something that can make you attractive to her. This will show that you are making an effort to show her you are a nice guy and that you like her. This is a surefire way for her to know that you are interested in her. This is a good example of how you can show your interest without you having to mention it directly. 6. Impress her. No matter what you have heard, impressing a girl is a great way to get her to want you more. If you make her laugh when you are showing an effort, will mean the world to her. Once she gives you a smile, this immediately will tell you that you are doing your job. This is an idea when dating you should always keep in mind. You will never go wrong with making her happy. 7. Smile. Once you put a smile on her face consistently, this can indicate that the girl likes you. If you are her new boyfriend, this is an area you should pay attention to. Girls smile a lot when they are comfortable. Once you have her at this point, you will not have to be wondering if she is into you or not. 8. Talking to her. In a relationship, especially on the first date, you should really talk to your woman to get to know her. Knowing what she likes will make you more attractive than other guys. It is much better you get to know these things to use them to your advantage. She may offer a little mystery, but knowing a few things will put you in a better position to make her want you. 9. Compliment her. This is another example of where you cannot go wrong. Compliment her will always have her in a space where she is thinking about her feelings. These little things while dating will mean the world to her, and if you do it right, she will not want to lose it. The idea of having an attractive guy who compliments her will make her think of always having you in her own life. 10. Friend zone. Most guys get annoyed and do not know how to handle it when they are in the friend zone. Things like your texting style will have to be adjusted when you are preparing to move from this zone. There are wonderful things that can be experienced when moving from friends into a relationship. However, most girls may not realize how awkward it is for guys. 11. Be yourself with her. This is the same thing when you considering talk with her and leveling with her. Be yourself and allow her to see you for what you are. When looking through a girl's eyes, she is looking for comfort and security in her relationship. She shouldn't have to be wondering what you are thinking and where your head is at. She's the apple of your eye, so she should know that. 12. Refer to things she mentioned before. This is a major problem for some women. She'll tell a guy things that make her want to scream, for example, and he just won't remember. This is an important point to show her that you care and remember things she has told you before. Nothing will make a girl want you more than she seeing that you care and think about her feelings. 13. Social circle. Integrating into her social circle is another great way for girls to feel comfortable with you. Once she is in a relationship with you, she'll definitely want the approval of her friends. Once they give the stamp of approval, she'll be guaranteed to open up her world to you. 14. Give good advice. If she can talk to you and you give her good advice, this is something she'll appreciate. She'll miss this side of you if you are no longer together. Going through life, you will have various things going on with your own business, and it is great to have a partner to discuss things with. Once you fill this gap as her life, you will be guaranteed to make her interested in you. 15. Love her naturally. Another way to get interested to flow in your relationship is to just make it happen naturally. The more time you spend together, then the stronger the relationship can become over time. Over the course of the relationship, if things develop naturally, then it will work out much better in the future, as it will be a stronger bond. 16. Notice her friends. When you notice and have her friends be a part of your life is a great thing. Dating tips normally tell you to focus on your relationship with your friends too. A girl has to be wooed and swept off her feet. This is a great way to build interest for her. 17. Know when to give her space. Even though you are interested in her, and show her all the parts of dating that she needs. She will also need her space to miss you, and then allow for more memorable moments when you get together again. This is an attractive feature in a guy, and she will appreciate it immediately and will love the idea of you being in her life. 18. Give her time. Another example of what you should do while dating is to just give her time. Time is important for her to figure out what she likes about you and what she will miss if you are not there. This is also something that will show her that if she will miss you when you are not there, this will show how that means something to her. 19. Do special things for her. It will make you very attractive to her when you think about and do special things for her. When you are thoughtful and show her that she means something to her, she will love it, and you definitely will not miss that. 20. Show her what you bring to the table. With a relationship, a woman will want stability in her life where she can feel comfortable. Once she sees that you offer this to her life, she will not want to miss this opportunity to be with you. You will add value to her, and she will appreciate that. 21. A good laugh. Making your girl laugh is something that is underrated. Women love to feel comfortable, and talking with their guys about various things like life should make them feel good. Sometimes things get heavy and she may need to take a load off. A good laugh can do this and put her in a peaceful state. 22. Be available. When she needs you, always try to be there. Do not miss an opportunity to show that you are reliable and will always be her rock. Women love talking about various things, or even just be there to hold her will also be appreciated. This is something guys should appreciate that girls need in their lives. Some guys think playing hard to get is a good thing. Sometimes this may not work, so pay attention to her needs. 23. Affectionate. Girls love an affectionate man. That just changes it all. From woman to woman. This is a great way that she feels your affection, and while talking is a good thing, hugs and kisses go a long way.